Hello guys, I am Ali Jawad and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is lesson number 3 on chapter 14, Light from Physics 5054 series for Cambridge and O-level students. In our previous videos, we have discussed the basics of reflection and has conducted an experiment virtually to learn about the law of reflection for regular reflection cases. Today we will learn about one of the important applications of reflection, and that are plane mirrors. In physics, we have ray diagrams to represent the image formation characteristics of any surface. It can be a plane mirror, it can be a lens, or it can be a curved mirror or a spherical mirror. All of the image formations are represented with the help of a diagram known as ray diagram. So we will study for plane mirror as well. Now, what do you notice in this image? You can easily notice the panel on the top or the roof. It has a particular distance from the mirror, and the panel is observable on the same distance inside the mirror. However, there is nothing like a third axis or the depth inside the mirror. So how we are able to see the depth inside the mirror? For example, the person is being observed to stand at a particular distance from the mirror, and we are observing this person at the same distance inside the mirror. Same with the cube installed near the roof, like this. So it is away from the mirror and it is located at this distance. So we are observing the same depth inside the mirror. But how it is possible? So let us try to find out in terms of ray diagram. To draw a ray diagram, you need to represent a mirror with these inclined lines. It reflects the shiny and smooth surface. So when an object is kept in place of a plane mirror, a light ray can travel from the object to the mirror. And as we know that we need to draw perpendicular, which is normal to the surface, the ray will bounce back at the same angle. Now, it is not necessary that only one ray will travel from the object to the mirror. There can be multiple rays. So to draw a ray diagram, we need at least two rays. So we need to draw another ray, and the second ray can be on a different angle, like this. So it will bounce back at the same angle. Now if we observe that these lines are moving away from one another, if we may try to extend them, so it means that if we may extend them in the backward direction, they will meet each other like this. And the point of intersection of the lines is the point where the image is observed. So as you can notice that the distance of the ball which we observe inside the mirror, or you can say the image distance from the mirror, is equal to the distance of object from the mirror. So that is the reason due to which we were able to see the box or the person or the panel in the previous picture on the same distance. This is one of the important property of the plane mirror. And the size of the object is equal to the size of image. Another important property of the plane mirror is the object distance from the mirror is equal to the image distance from the mirror. Another important property, the third property, is lateral inversion. The lateral inversion means the left hand side of the object appears to be right and the right hand side of the object appears to be left. That is the reason we cannot shake hands with our image which we observe in the mirror. And this kind of image, which is formed by extending the virtual lines behind the mirror, as we have done in the ray diagram, we have constructed the imaginary lines behind the mirror to form an image. So these kinds of images are known as virtual because they cannot be obtained on the screen. Means they are observable only inside the shiny surface, and if you will try to capture it with the help of a projector on a screen, we will not be able to do that. So this kind of images are known as virtual images. So the image formed by the plane mirror are also virtual in nature. Thank you for watching the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the latest videos on the same topic.